Hey, what is up everyone, it's Bobby from Q2 Japan, coming at you with a video about IC cards and how to make them in Japan. And I'm here today with my friend Daniel from Onemoregaijin.
What is up everyone, it is just Onemoregaijin. Bobby, you wanna go?
Yes it is, let's go.
Let's go.
Quick note, some of you out there may be just fine buying a ticket all the time, so why bother with an IC card? Well, we all have those moments when we're running behind and every second counts in order to catch that train. With an IC card, you can just tap and go. Even with zero money on the card, you can charge up at the station you arrive at. With tickets on the other hand, if you're new to an area, the maps can be confusing, math may not be your strong point, and the clock is ticking. Plus there could be people in front of you. So that's why IC cards rock. Now let's go on to how you make one. Depending on the region, the layout may look different. But for Okayama, Osaka, or wherever ICOCA is used, it's just a few button presses and a 2,000 yen deposit away. Basically, 1,500 yen of that will be used for transit, and the 500 yen card deposit will be returned to you eventually. It'll be a bit sad parting ways, but just head over to the fare adjustment counter and you'll get your money back. Now you can use ICOCA on buses, trams, convenience stores, vending machines, and half a dozen other stuff, so enjoy.
So what are your thoughts on the IC card, man?
It's pretty convenient. There's really no drawbacks to it.
Yeah.
Maybe with like some kind of point system or something.
Yeah, I can see that. Like in Manaka cards in Nagoya, like you can actually get points. So when I lived over there, like over a course of a year, I earned about 1,000 yen worth of points.
Yeah, so that would be pretty amazing, I think.
Yeah, it's pretty useful.
If you're living in Japan, I mean, there's really no reason not to get one.
Yeah, I'd say so. No, I'd say like if you're moving here, if you're living here at all, spending any time in the Okayama area, then like definitely get an IC card.
Yeah, definitely, yeah.
Well, any comments, please leave them down below about the IC cards, any experiences or information that you think are useful.
Yeah.
Maybe in Tokyo or other places in Japan, they have different rules, different cards. Daniel, thanks as always for helping out.
Yeah,
The video was really fun.
Yeah, thanks for having me. You can check me out on the card above, maybe that way or that way, not sure. But yeah, once again, I'm just Onemoregaijin.
All right, guys, make sure to like and subscribe to Q2 Japan.
See ya.
Peace.